Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money by sharing YouTube videos. I know that many of you are beginners and you don't have any special skills and you don't have money to invest. So you are looking for a way to make money online. And today I'm going to show you exactly that. And this method is 100% free. It is available worldwide. And I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything. So even if you've never done anything like this in your life, you will know how to do this. And also I know that you can find lots of videos on YouTube showing you how to make money by sharing YouTube videos, but unlike those methods, this method actually works. And also in the end of this video, I'm going to give you one really important tip that will help you to get even more views on your videos and to make even more money. So you need to watch this video till the end. So how much money you can make? If you share just 10 videos, you can make up to $6. And if you share 100 videos, you can make up to $60. And if you share 1,000 videos, you can make up to $600. So what you need to do, you need to come here on YouTube and you need to find viral videos. And the easiest way to do that is to actually search for hot topics like NBA, Spider-Man, Fortnite, and so on and so on. And one of the topics that is always hot is caught on camera. So what you need to do, you need to here in search bar type caught on camera and click search. And you need to scroll through these videos and you need to find video that will catch your eye and you need to use that video. But this is really important. You must use family-friendly videos. For example, this is not family-friendly video. This is also not family-friendly video. Like I said, you need to find family-friendly videos. Another really easy way to do that is to find these videos is to actually scroll back here, click on filters, and then click here on view count. And again, you need to scroll through these videos and you need to find family-friendly videos that are going viral. This video here looks like a good video. They have a good thumbnail, luckiest people caught on camera. They have a good title and this video get 37 million views in just 1 year. So what I need to do, I actually need to open this video because I'm going to need this video. So now when we have our video, next thing you need to do, you need to go on Google and here in search bar, you need to type grab YouTube thumbnail and then click search. And you can use any of these websites, but I will use just first one here for the example of this video. And what I need to do next is I actually need to go back here on the YouTube video and I need to copy URL of this YouTube video. Go back here and I need to paste it here, okay? And what I need to do now is right click here on this image, click save image as and save this image on my desktop. Before we continue, I have a small request for you. Please like this video and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will answer on all of your questions because I answer on all of the comments on my videos. So with that being said, let's continue. Now, next thing you need to do, you need to go on Canva and you can register for a free account. And then you need to click here on social media and then you need to click here on Pinterest pin because we are going to use Pinterest to drive traffic to our YouTube videos that we are going to share and make money. And also stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to give you a tip that will help you to get more clicks on your Pinterest pins. So what you need to do now is you need to upload the thumbnail that you downloaded from that YouTube video. To do that, click here on uploads and then click here on upload media and upload that image. Okay, I uploaded this image and I'm going to drag this image here to add it to my Pinterest template. And I'm actually going to drag it here and I'm going to drag it to enlarge this image and make it fit to my template. Okay, just like this. And I will move it like this. And what you need to do, you actually need to change the color of the background and try to use red, navy blue or black background for this purpose. So let me just choose, let's say for example, let's just say black for example. And now I need to add text. So just click here on this T for text. And you need to choose one of these text styles that Canva is offering you. And many of these text styles are actually free. So let's say I wish to use this text style here. So just click on it and give it a second to actually add it to your template. And next thing I need to do, I need to go back on my YouTube video and I can actually copy title of this video. Ctrl C go back on Canva, and I can remove this, okay? And I can also remove this and paste my text. And I will actually make my text in white color, just like this. And I will make it smaller, and I will make it fit. And I will also make it center like this, and I can move this, okay, like this, and make it a bit larger, like this. And the next thing you need to do, this is really important, so pay close attention. Here on Elements, you need to search for a play button. So here in search bar, I can simply type play button, and you can use any of these play buttons that you want. So let me just find one that I think is best for me. So let's say this one here, for example, and I will add this play button to my Pinterest pin, and I will move it here. Okay, this is not actually the best, so let me just leave it here, okay? You will find a better play button. So people can think that this is not a regular Pinterest pin, that this is actually a video. So now our Pinterest pin is done. So what we need to do, we need to actually click here on these three dots in upper right corner, and we need to click here on download. And we need to click here on download to download this to our desktop. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called uii.io. This is basically a URL shortener and also advertising company. And here you can see how much money you can make for 1,000 views that you send from United Kingdom. You can earn $6. For 1,000 views from Australia, you can also earn $6. Canada, Switzerland, Sweden, Denmark, United States, $6. Netherlands, $5, and so on and so on. And if you send 10,000 views, you can earn $60. And if you send 100,000 views, you can earn $600. Now, I already created an account, and this is my dashboard. Because this is a new account, these are all zeros. So what you need to do, you need to click here on New Shorten Link. And now you need to go back on your YouTube video, and you need to copy URL. Control C, go back here and paste that link here, and then click here on shorten. Give it a second to actually shorten this link, and this is my shortened link that I need to use to promote this video, this viral video, to drive traffic and earn money. Potentially, if I send 1,000 views from United Kingdom, Australia and United States, I can earn up to $6 for 1,000 views. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on Pinterest and you need to create a pin. So click here on this plus and then click here on create pin. And now you need to upload the image that you created in Canva that we will use to promote our video. So click here. And this is our pin, this is our image that we created in Canva. And now we need to add a title. For that you can simply go back on that YouTube video and again you can copy this title and go back on Pinterest and you can paste that title. And again you need to add description. So again I can just go back here and I can simply copy this. Control C, go back on Pinterest and I can add a description. So just paste it here. And I strongly advise to add alt text, but you don't really need to do that. And now you need to add a link. So go back here and I can simply copy my link, copy here, and I will paste my link here. And you need to choose your board and let's just say amazing photos, for example. But for this purpose, I would actually advise you to create a new board. In this case, that board would call Caught on Camera. And then just click here on Save, and you will save this pin on Pinterest. And this is my pin, this is how it looks. And people will see that play button on that image and they will click on it to watch the video. And every time someone click on that image, you will earn money. And this is a bonus tip for you, so pay close attention, this is really important. You saw how easy it is to make these pins, you saw how fast you can create these pins, you can literally create 50 pins every day. So basically in just 20 days you can create 1,000 pins. And trust me, if you upload 1,000 pins on Pinterest, you will start getting clicks. You will start getting 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, maybe even 20,000 clicks every month. And you will start making $60, $120, $200 every month. And best thing about this is It is passive income because these images will stay on Pinterest forever, and you will continue getting traffic, and you will continue making money every month. So this is how you make money by sharing YouTube videos. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.